welcome back. Today we are gonna open some blind bags. We have all of these to open today, so let's go. First up, let's open the Feisty Pets Mini Misfits. I got one the other day and opened it on my Instagram. I got the Dragon Flame Fart. Now let's see who will we get today. The cages came in 4 colors. I got the yellow with flame fart and a blue one today. There's also red and green. There's only one blind bag. You get a checklist and a pet. Oh, look at this! So cute! It's a little seal. Let's check out the checklist first. So for series 1, there's 30 pets that you can get. And today we got Tony Tubillard. So I used to think Feisty pets are pretty scary when the initial plushies came out, baring their teeth, but I thought the mini ones are so cute. There's 3 types of mouths they could have: the teeth, the tongue, and another type that has a gritting teeth. But my favorite is definitely the tongue one. Bleh. It works with a button at the back, but it seems that my little seal tends to get his button stuck. Whereas if you see in Flame Fart, it actually pops back up really well. But you can always pop it back up on your own. Next, let's open the Pokemon Cool Nuts packet. This series is from Japan and have lots of different anime and Disney characters. This is actually the Pokemon Series 2. And it says there's 16 types. Oh, how cute! Look at all the 16 types that you could get. This is how they look like in color. I believe this is a Raichu or baby Raichu. I'm not too sure. But look how cute. So satisfying to look at. I definitely need to find the Pikachu, the Eevee, Tokidoki, and the Chikorita. Moving on, I finally got a Moshi baby. This came out for a while now and I'm so excited. It's finally on sale. So I grabbed one. I did try to look at the bottom and saw some stickers with pink ears and some doesn't give any clues at all. But for this one, do you guys see it? Do you guys see that? The pointed white part? I'm definitely hoping it will be the unicorn baby.
This unicorn baby?
Oh, and I really wish that this wasn't just a wrapper and you get to keep it even after you unwrap it, because it's so cute, guys. Now let's get the baby out of here. Who could it be? Who could it be? Oh my gosh, guys, the cap just came off and it smells so good. I love Moshi squishies, they smell so good. So it came with the milk bottle and a giant blind bag. So you get a heart name tag. Guys, a sticker of the unicorn. Did we get it? Did we get it? Do we get the unicorn? Let's see what he came with. Must be his unicorn pet. And there he is, the unicorn pet. Aww, so cute. So the sticker did give away that it's a unicorn. Let's look at the checklist for the other babies. There's 6 babies in this series. And that's the one we got, Missy Mane and Sugar Hooves. And the back of the checklist is a certificate that you can fill in with all the details of your little baby. Oh, this is so cute. So adorable. I love that they have matching colors as well. The little chains inside acts as a keychain, but I like to keep the chains inside so that it's a little shaker. Oh, so precious. Look at how much stuff you get from this blind bag. And I love how the baby series have a moving liquid milk bottle that you can also use with other dolls you have at home. Or you can just upsize your baby's milk bottle. And the next one is a series from Japan. We can find some of this in Singapore too as well. I managed to buy a duplicate of someone and I've got Christopher Robin. Oh, look at how precious he looks. Let's cut him open. I love Christopher Robin as a character from the old animation. So I really wanted him. I've only gotten one character from this series so far, but I think I've got to find more of them. There's no checklist attached, but this is all the characters that you could get from this series. It's the Sophie puppet mascot. It comes with all the characters in 100 Acre Woods with 3 variations of Pooh. I definitely need to get a Pooh Bear to accompany my Christopher Robin. So hopefully we'll find more in the future. And lastly for today, a mini Tokidoki sushi car. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to get some of the original size boxed ones. But this mini version blind bag is a little bit cheaper. And I love things mini too, so it got me even more excited. Here's the checklist. Shows us all the different characters in the sushi car that you can get. There's a chaser with Adios and Chow Chow. Now let's see who we've got. Ah, so cute! We've got a little popcorn sitting in a taco car. It's so cute. Who is it? It's Popcorn Guy on the Octo card. It's so cute, it's so mini. I believe the original box ones are much bigger. I'm not too sure about whether their wheels work, but these don't. But they're so cute. Look at how tiny it is. Alright, thanks for joining me today. And comment down below and let me know which blind bag did you like the best. For me, it's definitely the Christopher Robin figure. But of course, I love them all. So subscribe to see more toys from me in the future, and I'll see you next time.